I'm not as good as I once was. This is a poor excuse for a helmet, I'll tell you. Poor excuse. Anyway. Well, that's why you always bring two saws. I'll duck out and get the beast. I'll duck out and get the beast. And I'll be
back.
well, I got the beast. Doggone it. Why didn't I check that gas when I was there? Well, it's just as easy to bring the gas. This saw weighs about 40 pounds. That was a no now. But here's some limbs moving. It might fall by itself. If I could get a little breeze, she'll go. Every time I get, I don't know, I think I told the Keith song, I'm not as good as I once was, but I said earlier that, is that cracking? That means she's gonna go. The wind's picking up. Right? A little breeze, it moves it and it breaks a limb. And another limb breaks. I might not need to go get the gas. Maybe I'll just take the saw out once it falls. I don't need the saw. Huh. Yeah, rookie mistake over there. But I'm not as good as I once was. Huh. I did the ring around a little bit too tight and she pinched me a little teeny bit. Never hurt nothing. I didn't pull on the saw or nothing, just stayed there. So it's not going to hurt the saw. It'll roll off the bar. It's not even on the bar actually. It's pinched a little teeny bit of it, which is going to roll. And the saw will fall down this side and the wood will go down there, that hole. But it might be that I might have to just duck out and get that gas jug. Oil jug. But anyway, you gotta pace yourself, and it's a big old stump that thing pulled out. It's a great little rig, I'll tell you that. To be honest, it's not really meant, it can be used for it, but it's not meant to go logging with it. It's meant to dig holes and trenches and move rocks and dig basements and all kinds of different things. But then again, it's made to dig stumps too, right? So, and that's what I've been doing. It's easier with that tooth bucket than the ditch bucket. Okay, let's get the jug. Might be better off going down through cross country. I'll tell you one thing, them deer flies landing on my cue ball, bald head. They, when they bite, they got chisels for teeth. I don't know how. I bet you if you saw them close up on a microscope, it would scare you. Yeah. Oh, that's pretty easy going through here. Okay, so what I'm thinking about doing, if the wind don't blow it down, I'm going to cut one more tree. I'm going to get right there, and that would take them all. Now it's got to be done right. I just got to do it right. You got to know this, and you got to know that. Okay. Let's get some patcher winner. I forgot about this saw. This saw's a nice saw, but when she gets almost out of gas, she'll shut off like this. There'll be a little gas in it, but she'll shut off. It's not enough gas. Which, if you know that, no problem at all. And I know it, but I forgot about it, but because I haven't been using it for months. But now I know. Oh, now I remember, I mean. Okay. Yeah. There, that's done. Now she'll start up now. I'll get my hat on my head. I'm gonna go over. Let's see, where are you guys gonna set up here? I guess I set you back here. Maybe the same spot. I'm gonna cut that tree right over there, so you'll see 3 trees falling probably.